In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and welcome, dear ladies, to today's recorded lecture. Today, inshallah, we are going to deal with unit number 9, which talks about animals. Let us go through the learning objectives, ladies. In regard to watch and listen, we are going to watch and understand a video about wildlife in South Africa. Regarding reading skills, we are going to learn how to read for the main ideas. Regarding academic writing skills, we are going to know how to use correct spelling and punctuation in sentences. And regarding a writing task, we are going to write a descriptive paragraph. As usual, ladies, we are going before each and every unit, we need to unlock your knowledge by asking you a simple task. Today's task is write the words from the box in the gaps. Write these words in these gaps. Use a dictionary to help you understand the words in bold, these words. Of course, we are going to use visuals to help us doing so. Here we have bee, bear, penguin, and snake. Here we have reptile, insect, mammal, and bird. Okay, let us know the meanings of each and every one of those terms. Starting with reptile. What do you think? What do we mean by reptile? Reptile, ladies, in Arabic we call them zawahif. All these animals are considered or belong to reptile species. Okay, species means fasila. Okay, the next term says insects. All these are insects. Okay, حشرات. Moving to mammals. Mammals means ثدييات. And finally birds, and these are birds. We already knew the meaning of birds. Okay, so we just knew the meaning of these terms: reptile, insect, mammal, and bird. What about these terms? What do you think? Bee, bear, penguin, and snake. This is snake, and here is bee, here is bear, and here is penguin. Okay, so since we decode the meaning of each and every term in this task, now take 2 minutes or at least 1 minute to answer these sentences, to write the correct answers here. If you want, pause the video, write your answers, and come back to see the correct answers. What do you think? Bee, is it a reptile? Or bear, is it a reptile? Penguin, is it a reptile? Which one of these, ladies, is considered a reptile? Reptile again means. So which one of these are considered a reptile? Number 1 is snake. Okay, number 2, insect. An insect. Which one of these is considered as an insect? And again, insect means. What do you think? Bee. Okay. Which one of these is considered as a mammal? A mammal. Again, mammal means Which one of these considered as a mammal? Bear. So number 3 is bear. And which one of these is considered as a bird? Of course, penguin. Penguin is a bird. So, write your answers here and let us move to first part, which is watch and listen. As usual, we need to, or you need to prepare yourselves to watch a video, but before that you need to understand, or to use, actually here you need to use your knowledge, your own knowledge, to predict the content. Content means محتوى. Here, ladies, write 3 names. Write the names of 3 animals you think you will see. Depend on these. Can you write the names of these animals? Do you know them? This and this and this and this. If you know them, please write their names here. 3 of them. Here are possible answers. Please pause the video, write the answers. Penguin, springbok, lion, zebra, giraffe, elephant, rhino, hippo. So we can write 3 of these, okay? Okay, now, ladies, you are requested to check the meanings of the words in the box. Use a dictionary to help you. Here you need to understand the key vocabularies. Here we have some new vocabularies. The first one is diversity. The second one is savanna. Third one, species. Fourth one, grass. Next one, powerful. And the final one, unusual. Ladies, you are kindly requested to go to use an online dictionary. Please Google these terms in order to know the meaning of each and every one of them. Take 10 minutes to Google these terms to know their meanings, either in Arabic or in English. It's up to you. And then read the definitions here in order to write the correct terms in the gaps. Let me read the definitions and then Google the meanings of each and every word. Number 1, a group of plants or animals that are all similar. Number 2, very strong. Number 3, different from typical things. Number 4, when many different kind of people or things are in one place. Number 5, a plant with small green or yellow leaves found in gardens and fields. And finally, land in Africa with no people or cities. Take 10 minutes or take as long as you want to Google these terms and please understand them and then fill in the blanks. After that, please, ladies, come back again to check your answers if they were correct or not. Okay, number 1, a group of plants or animals that are all similar. What do you think? What do you mean by that? Species. فصيلة. Okay, number 2, very strong. Powerful. Number 3, different from typical things. Unusual, and the opposite of unusual is usual. This is the opposite of unusual. Here is the opposite of unusual. Number 4, when many different kinds of people or things are in one place. Diversity. Diversity means تنوع. A plant with small green or yellow leaves found in gardens and fields. Grass, عشب. And finally, land in Africa with no people or cities. Savannah. منطقة أفريقية غابة. Okay, pause the video, ladies, write your answers, check if they were correct or not, and come back again to continue with our next task, task number 5. Now, ladies, you are requested or you are going to listen for key information. Watch the video with sound, of course, and take notes. Write the adjectives you hear. Please try to find adjectives you hear for each and every animal in column A. Okay? This is a springboks, lions and elephants, rhinos and penguins. Before that, let us know the meaning of each and every one of those terms. Here is a springbok. In Arabic we call it قوقز. Okay? Lions and elephants, rhinos and wolves. Yes, and penguins. Here we have penguins. Okay, please remember that you are requested to write the adjectives for each and every animal here in column A. Also, if you want, you can write the numbers you hear for rhinos and penguins in column B. And, of course, you can leave it for another or for a second watch. Okay? Now, prepare yourselves to watch and enjoy the video.
Morning, South Africa. This is a land of diversity. The savannah is the home of about 300 species of wildlife. These zebras travel in groups called herds. They only stop to drink water or eat grass. And these are springboks. They are popular in South Africa. Springboks are fast and tough. Many tourists come to South Africa from other countries. They come to see the wildlife. Lions and elephants are the most popular animals. But there are many other interesting animals in South Africa. Here is one of them. The rhino is one of the most powerful animals in the world. This rhino is almost 2,000 kilograms. But he can run at 40 kilometers per hour. It is not the fastest animal in the world, but it can be one of the most dangerous. South Africa also has a diverse sea life. There are more than 11,000 species of plants and animals in or near South Africa's oceans. penguins are perhaps the most unusual animals you can see in South Africa. 4,000 penguins live on Boulders Beach near Cape Town. They are not afraid of people. Penguins are very popular with the tourists in South Africa. South Africa is a land of diversity.